In this project, we are going to be using the vectors to go from city to city. So this giant purple line kind of thing, these are all different vectors. So this is a map of England, and in this map, there are 4 different cities that I chose, all random, and they all have different points. So first is Exeter, and the point for Exeter is -4, -11. Next is Whitby, and that one is 5, 7. Next is Carlisle, which is -2, 10. And the ending city is Cambridge, which is 7 and -3. And these are all their coordinate points. So to go from Exeter to Whitby, you are going to go across 10 and up 18. To go from Whitby to Carlisle, you are going to go back 7, which is why I said -7, and then you're going to go up 3. And then from Carlisle to Cambridge, you're going to go down 9, and you're going to go across 9 and then down 13. And Cambridge is the city with the university. So after all this, you find the vectors and you add up all the vectors and you get 546. Okay, thank you.